In a world where homes are becoming more personal and meaningful, furniture is no longer just something we place inside a room. It has become a reflection of taste, values, and lifestyle. Among all furniture pieces, the coffee table holds a quiet power. It stands at the center of daily life, supporting moments both ordinary and memorable. Today on Hope Tube, we explore a modern industrial metal coffee table design that blends raw strength with natural warmth, proving that simplicity can be the most powerful form of beauty. This coffee table begins with its foundation, a raw steel metal frame shaped into clean rectangular lines. The metal is strong, confident, and honest. It does not hide behind decoration or unnecessary detail. Instead, it shows its character through structure and balance. The frame stands firmly on the ground, offering stability and trust. This is the kind of furniture that feels reliable even before you touch it. The matte black or raw industrial finish absorbs light gently, creating a calm and grounded presence in the room. Resting above this steel structure is a solid wooden tabletop. The wood brings warmth, texture, and life into the design. Its natural grain flows freely, reminding us of nature, time, and growth. Each line in the wood is unique, making every table slightly different from the next. This natural variation adds soul to the design, transforming the table from a manufactured object into a living part of the home. When metal and wood meet in this way, they create a dialogue between strength and softness, industry and nature. As the camera moves slowly around the table, the beauty of proportion becomes clear. The height feels just right, allowing comfortable use without dominating the space. The open metal frame keeps the design visually light, allowing air and light to move freely through the room. This makes the table ideal for both small apartments and large living areas. It does not crowd the room or demand attention. Instead, it supports the space quietly and confidently. This metal coffee table is designed for real life. It is strong enough to hold heavy objects, durable enough to last for years, and simple enough to fit into changing interior styles. In the morning, it becomes a place for coffee cups and quiet thoughts. In the afternoon, it holds books, work items, or creative tools. In the evening, it supports conversations, shared moments, and rest. The table adapts to life without ever losing its identity. One of the greatest strengths of this design is its timeless nature. Trends come and go, but simplicity remains. Straight lines, honest materials, and balanced proportions never feel outdated. This coffee table can exist comfortably in a modern minimalist home, an industrial loft, a rustic interior, or even a Scandinavian-inspired space. Its flexibility makes it not only beautiful, but also practical and valuable. From a craftsmanship perspective, this design is efficient and intelligent. The metal frame uses straightforward cuts and clean welds, reducing waste while increasing strength. The wooden top can be finished in many ways, from natural oil to darker stains or reclaimed textures. This allows makers to customize the design without changing its core structure. The result is a piece of furniture that feels premium while remaining accessible. Durability is another defining feature. Metal resists warping, cracking, and daily wear far better than wood alone. When paired with a well-treated wooden surface, the table becomes a long-term investment rather than a temporary solution. This is furniture made to grow old with the home, developing character rather than losing value. As we continue to observe the table, we notice how it interacts with its environment. Light reflects softly off the metal while the wood absorbs warmth. Shadows form beneath the frame, adding depth and interest to the space. The table becomes part of the room's rhythm, not a distraction but a support. This is where design reaches its highest purpose, when it enhances life without interrupting it. This metal coffee table also represents a shift in how people view furniture today. More people are choosing pieces that feel authentic and meaningful rather than overly decorative. They want furniture that tells a story, shows craftsmanship, and respects materials. This design answers that desire perfectly. It is honest, strong, and quietly elegant. As the final shots show the table standing alone in a calm interior, the message becomes clear. Beauty does not need excess, strength does not need decoration, and good design does not need to shout. This modern industrial metal coffee table is more than an object. It is a reflection of balance, purpose, and thoughtful living. Thank you for spending this time with Hope Tube. If you enjoy creative furniture ideas, timeless design inspiration, and thoughtful home decor concepts, stay connected with us. More inspiring designs and creative ideas are always on the way. Until next time, let your home tell your story and let good design support every moment of your life.